Hello, everybody, and welcome to the Dashboard Channel, your North Florida car show connection. This week, we're taking you out to Callahan for the monthly Callahan Cruisers Cruise In at the Hardee's Restaurant. This is going to be our Walkabout cam, where we take a selfie stick at a camera and go around and show you what's out there. Which, unfortunately, wasn't a whole lot this month, because, well, the weather moved in on us. We got there, we got started, we got set up and going, and it started lightning and thundering and threatening to rain, so we had to cut it short and cancel. Which, hey, that kind of sucks, but you know, that's the game you play in Florida in the summertime, in the afternoon. So we just kind of had to, take off early. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We did get a little bit of video, so I hope you guys enjoy that. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. We're going to keep going out to the car shows. We're going to keep, trying our best to bring you new content. And we'll see you guys out at the car show. So I'm going to shut up. We're going to get you out there. So let's rev it up them hot rods.
Hydraulic hiss is the only sound allowed. Velvet seats swallow the worry of the crowd. Curb feelers kiss the asphalt like a slow dance. Inches from the gutter, caught in a trance. Low pro tires hum on the heat of the lane, washing away the Sunday afternoon shame. Now the street legal glow is all that they see. Cruising through the shadows, just the asphalt and me. Reflections in the glass where the city lights swim. A midnight chrome dream on a hydraulic whim. Neon on the fender like a purple bruise, rolling through the echoes of the city blues. Street lights stretch into thin silver lines. Read the asphalt like a book of designs. Custom dyed spirit in a shell of heavy steel. Feeling the reality of the turning wheel. Now the street legal glow is all that they see. Cruising through the shadows, just the asphalt and me. Reflections in the glass where the city lights swim. A midnight chrome dream on a hydraulic whim. Low and slow jog, just the velvet and the neon. Inches from the earth, exactly where I wanna be. Catch you on the turn, keep the chrome
Alright everybody, that's all for this video from the Callahan Cruisers Monthly Cruise In. Unfortunately, you can't fight the weather. So, it is what it is. We did at least get a little bit of something in, but it wasn't enough. It was dangerous. Lightning was popping everywhere, so we had to cancel. We did at least get started, got some cars that showed up, and we got some pictures and some videos, so we did at least get a little something out of it, even if we didn't get the full effect of the full show and everything. But, you know, hey, it is what it is. So I hope you guys enjoyed whatever little bit of video we had. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. We're at 383 subscribers. Hey, cool, 383. And we're trying to climb up to 500. We're just, you know, little by little we're getting there. We're crawling up the ladder. But we will eventually get there. And then, you know, the next goal is going to be 1,000. But we got to get that 500 first. So we're doing our best. We're trying to bring you new stuff. We're trying to put out as much as we can, as fast as we can, but it's been difficult. So I hope you guys will bear with me. I'm doing my best here. I'm a one-man operation most of the time. So anyway, that's really all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you like, subscribe, comment, and share. And we'll see you guys at the next car show whenever and wherever it may be.